Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Myself, Iqrar Ali Pali from Dholatpur, and my qualification is BS Mathematics from Qaid-e-Awam University, and my MS Mathematics is continue also from Qaid-e-Awam University, and my overall CGPA is 3.70 in out of 4 years, and from out of 4 total CGPA is 4. So my overall CGPA in the past certificate or in the transcript 3.70. So today is my, as you know that are all the guys, today is my lecture is on the mathematics. So there are many fields of mathematics, there are many techniques, there are many formulas, there are many various branches of mathematics. So today I have chosen one topic of the mathematics, set. What is a set? Now we are discussing the definition of a set and its different kinds and its representation, small definition of set and small techniques and tricks of a set to understand. Here is written what is a set. Set is a group of words or collection of distinct and well-defined objects. Here is a set is a group, means that it is any group of elements, any group of elements like a man, like a chairs, like a things, like a fence, like a tables, like a peoples in the street, like a doors in a house. There are many examples of a set in our daily life, and we all are utilize them and see every day. There are different objects and things of related to the sets. Here is a terminology. There is a two terminology used. Distinct means separated. Distinct means what? Separated. Like man, fish. Set of a man in a house. Here is some mistake. Set of men in a house. Set of fishes. Set of dishes and set of books. So it is a distinct objects, means all are separated to each other. Also